for Big Mountain's unique 2-for-1 furnace and AC rejuvenation. That's 2 equipment services, and Big Mountain guarantees your complete heating and air system against breakdown for the next 12 months, or the service will be free. Period. $78 to the first 10 callers during this program. Details at bigmountainair.com or just call 916-228-6945.
And joining us today, we have Varin Larson from Big Mountain Heating and Air to chime in on that video that we just got done watching. And Varin, the video mentions that your service is unique. So define what makes it so unique.
One word: comprehensive. Because we do a ton of work on the furnace and the air conditioner, both. We guarantee both of them against breakdown for all year long, 12 months for the furnace, 12 months for the air conditioner, and the safety inspections, verifications throughout the system. I mean, it's comprehensive. The best answer I can give you. Okay,
so you're saying comprehensive, but break that down. Give a little more clarification on how comprehensive this is.
Sure. Yeah. Well, when I say we do a ton of work, it's 2-part. You can see on the screen there. Furnace and air conditioner, as I said. It starts here at the filter. Even if you keep your filter clean, it's so often like the lint trap, you know, on your dryer, as you saw that picture there. Gets into the blower. Ultimately it gets into that lint trap, if you will, your lungs. And when your furnace is running, it's in 10 minutes it's used as much energy as 3.5 sticks of dynamite. Think of this: your tailpipe, it emits carbon monoxide. Your furnace emits carbon monoxide, and you can see there, if the burners aren't burning properly, that's going to cost you money, and it can create a situation where the heat exchanger gets a crack in it and exposes your family to carbon monoxide. We were on the radio today and playing a YouTube video as it relates to the carbon monoxide issue, and just a tragic story. But go on YouTube and just type in carbon monoxide furnace.
It's a real threat, and it's something that can be prevented, though. Let's talk, though, because you just mentioned some services to HVAC.
Right.
You also treat air conditioning, and there's a reason for that. So tell us a little more about that, too.
Yeah, that was the furnace side of it, and then here we go to the air conditioning side of it. You don't know how dirty your air conditioner is till you take off that grill. We do a chemical clean, as you can see there. You got furnaces in the attic. You never see it. Out of sight, out of mind, connected to your air conditioner. This is something that a lot of folks, I think most of the people, your furnace is in the attic, I'm sure. You see that lady there that's got a leak in her ceiling? That is so common. I wish they'd outlaw furnaces in the attic, because they're going to leak if you don't take care of them. You're going to have a cobweb inside of the drain that can allow it to leak into your ceiling, and you don't know how many times we get called for leaks coming from the furnace. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So very, very important, once again, that people are paying attention to that. Let's still talk about what some of the things that the service can kind of reveal, and some of those things that are actually covered by home warranties.
Oh, yeah, home warranties. I went online to check out the small print, the fine print of what it is these people have home warranty. The question oftentimes is, why do I need to worry about it? I got a home warranty. Well, they don't cover maintenance on the system, so you're going to pay whatever it is, maybe whatever their service fee is, $50 to $100. And the small print also says, you don't understand that you're only, whichever comes is the least, the repair, and people say, well, I'll get it replaced maybe in 5 years through my home warranty. The maximum amount of money that they'll pay in this largest home warranty company is $1,500, maximum. And you may have paid out, or they may have paid out $200 for a service call. That's taken away from the 50. People just don't understand that their home warranty is not what you need to rely on when it comes to your heating and air conditioning system.
Okay, so once again, that just highlights the need to really make sure that you're taking care of your system every step of the way, right?
That's right. You can wait 30 days for them to even respond, and it's in the fine print too.
Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, Varin, so tell us a little more about the rejuvenation. I know we heard about it off the top, but remind everybody once again what it is that you do.
Yeah, give us a call. We'll get you on the schedule. We spend more money, as I oftentimes say, on you, the homeowner, for $78. We send a technician out there. Be one of the first 10 callers, and we'll get you on the schedule, 378-4664. And, you know, that's going to give you a guarantee against your furnace breaking down and your air conditioner breaking down over the next year, or the service is going to be free, and we're going to guarantee you'll save more money than the cost of the service if you just give us a call and take advantage of our 2-for-1 special. It's the best deal that's out there, I'm convinced.
And in Varin too, I know it's really important that we remind everyone, take advantage of this while you can. Call, take care of your system before you really need it and you're in a desperate situation, right?
Thank you. You don't want to wait and, you know, it's like a fire drill. Who do we call?
Yeah.
You'll know who to call if you have a problem. We guaranteed it's not going to break down.
Okay. Thank you so much, Varin.
Thanks, Melissa.
All right.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.